Porsche corrects rare badge error on limited edition 911S/TS Porsche. The renowned German automaker recently acknowledged and swiftly corrected a manufacturing error impacting two of its ultra-exclusive 911 ST models. Both vehicles, part of a limited production run of 1,963 units, celebrating Porsche's 60th anniversary, were mistakenly fitted with the same serialized dash plaque number 1724. The mistake came to light when an owner requested a customized replacement badge. The error and Porsche's response to the error occurred when car number 1742 received the duplicate badge. Instead of dismissing the issue, Porsche documented it as a unique part of the company's history, archiving the incorrect badge for posterity. This decision highlights the automaker's willingness to acknowledge human error in an otherwise highly precise manufacturing process. Porsche's director of Sonderwunsch special requests, Karl-Heinz Valls, explained that specialized manual work involves human involvement, meaning mistakes can happen. The important thing is how you deal with them. The company apologized to both owners and took corrective action. The owners and their cars, the two affected owners, Pedro Solis Klusman, president of Porsche Club Guatemala, and Susan Taher, had significantly customized their vehicles. Klusman intentionally chose car number 1724 because the digits correspond to his and his parents' birthdays, 17th and 24th. His 911 ST features a shore blue metallic exterior with a heritage design package and a carbon fiber roll cage. Taher, however, had no sentimental attachment to the number. Her car is painted rose red with a guard's red leather interior. Despite the mismatched badge, both S/TS were already highly personalized before the error surfaced. The 911 ST. A rare breed, the 911 ST is a special edition built to honor Porsche's legacy. It boasts a naturally aspirated 4-liter flat-six engine producing 518 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. Weighing just 3,056 pounds, the car delivers a raw, analog driving experience increasingly rare in modern performance vehicles. Acknowledging imperfection as a gesture of goodwill, Porsche invited Klusman and Taher to its Zuffenhausen headquarters. Each owner received a commemorative package including a picture of their cars and samples of their respective color schemes. This small error shows the human side of car building that sometimes creates something truly unique. Porsche's decision to embrace this mistake, rather than burying it, underscores the brand's commitment to transparency and its willingness to celebrate even the imperfections that arise in a complex manufacturing process. The error, in effect, created two potentially more valuable and historically significant vehicles.